Scalapay France app. The pros, the cons. If you enjoy buy now, pay later options, Scalapay France app promises to make payments simpler. But is it really worth using? One major pro is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking it only splits payments. The app allows you to shop at participating stores, track upcoming payments, and manage multiple purchases all in one place. Notifications remind you before a payment is due, reducing the risk of late fees. Another advantage is transparency. The app clearly shows your installment plans, remaining balance, and payment history. You can adjust payment methods, switch cards, and access customer support directly through the app. For those who want control over spending, this clarity is a big plus. However, there are cons. Some users report that not all merchants in France are supported, limiting options. Late fees and interest can add up if payments are missed, and the app's interface occasionally experiences glitches or slow loading times. Scalapay's customer service is not always immediately responsive, which can be frustrating when resolving payment issues. In conclusion, the Scalapay France app is useful for managing installment payments and tracking expenses. The surprising truth is that while it simplifies buy now, pay later, responsible use is essential to avoid unexpected fees. For shoppers looking for flexibility and easy tracking of payments, the app provides a streamlined experience. Pair it with careful planning, and it can be a practical tool for budgeting and shopping.